Welcome to the eP2P Applications User Tutorial Guide. In this tutorial, the user will be guided on how to add or update spouse information. To go to eP2P Application eData, user need to click HR Self-Service. Then click on the eData. To add or update spouse information, click My Spouse Information. User need to click Add to add new spouse information. Fill in the required information as shown in the screen. Click Next to view information. Click Next and then click Finish to submit application. If user want to update existing spouse information, click Update. Select spouse name and click Next button. Fill in the information that need to be updated. Once done, click Next and following screen will be displayed. Click Next and then click Finish to submit application. A notification will appear once the application is successfully submitted. The request will then be forwarded to the superior for recommendation.